The majority of people are not prepared for the impending permanent change in the real estate market. Imagine purchasing homes, whole neighborhoods going unoccupied, and prices fluctuating suddenly. These startling trends will affect everyone, whether you're buying, selling, or just inquisitive. Stay put, because housing isn't what you think it will be in the future. In front of our very eyes, the way we purchase and sell homes is changing. We'll explain the 3 most significant changes to real estate in this video, along with what they mean for your finances. To provide you with the facts, just the actual trends that could improve your decision-making without any hype. Let's begin. Trend number 1 is tech revolution. The first startling alteration. Real estate is being overtaken by technology. Currently, almost 80% of home buyer inquiries are handled by AI chatbots without the need for a human. People can purchase homes they have never seen in person thanks to virtual reality tours. Additionally, by eliminating middlemen, blockchain technology is accelerating and lowering the cost of transactions. AI is already being used by businesses like Zillow to make real-time offers on houses. You may soon be able to purchase your next home without ever having to meet a realtor by using an app. Digital home buying is the way of the future, and it's happening more quickly than most people think. Trend number 2 is the remote work boom. What is the second game changer? The housing market is being completely upended by remote work. As workers migrate to less expensive areas, big cities like New York and San Francisco are experiencing record vacancies. In the meantime, suburbs and small towns are flourishing. Prices in cities like Austin and Boise have increased by at least 30%. Nowadays, a lot of businesses operate remotely, so you can live anywhere. A new generation of Zoom towns has emerged as a result, where home offices are more important than commutes. The outcome? People's preferences for living arrangements and their willingness to pay have completely changed. Trend number 3 is affordability crisis solutions. Let's now discuss ways to alleviate the housing shortage. As costs rise, innovators are coming up with more affordable lifestyle options. Co-living spaces, which are frequently 30% less expensive than apartments, allow you to rent just a bedroom while sharing kitchens and living areas. Since some of them are less expensive than cars, tiny homes under 400 square feet are becoming more and more common. Governments are also intervening by providing programs for first-time buyers with small down payments. And here's the thing, new 3D-printed homes can be constructed for half the usual price in just one day. The takeaway is straightforward. These new options might be your ticket in if traditional housing is too costly. Shocking prediction. The most startling forecast of all is that by 2030, experts predict that algorithms, not humans, could purchase 1 in 3 homes. Imagine waking up to discover that AI had already bought your ideal home. This technology is already in use by large investment firms who seize properties in milliseconds when prices drop. The market may move more quickly as a result than people can respond. How soon this will occur is the question, not if it will. Regular buyers should also get ready right away. Which of these trends most surprised you? I read all of the comments, so please let me know. If this was useful to you, take 2 quick actions to help more people see this crucial information. Click the like button first. Second, enable notifications and subscribe. We appreciate you watching, and now go get your share of the future.